In this video tutorial, we will show you how to change the PowerPoint background image. Launch PowerPoint. Click on the Design tab and select the slide style. By choosing the style, you are selecting the relevant background. To insert or change your own background, right-click on the slide and select the Format Background option from the drop-down menu. The Format Background window appears. Click on the Picture or Texture Fill radio button. Then click on the File button. In the Appear dialog box, you can select the image file for the background. To adjust the slide style color to match the new background, you can select the theme color from the Colors drop-down list on the Design tab. Leave comments and send your questions to our email. This was a HowTech TV tutorial. Thank you for watching.